how to get Temu discounts without using coupons. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful Temu tips. If you don't have a coupon, don't worry, you can still get real discounts on Temu using these simple and safe methods. First, check the flash deals and limited time offers on the Temu home screen. These discounts are applied automatically, no coupon needed. Second, tap on 90% off or special deal banners. Many of these offers give instant discounts when you select an item or add it to your cart. Third, browse the top deals or today's deals section. Prices here are already reduced, so checkout discounts apply automatically. Fourth, add items to your cart and wait for price drops. Temu sometimes reduces prices on items already in your cart. Fifth, use free shipping deals. Free shipping itself saves money and doesn't require any coupon. Pro tip. New deals refresh daily, so opening the Temu app regularly increases your chances of finding auto-applied discounts. That's it. Now you know how to get Temu discounts without using any coupon. Fully safe and within the rules. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment discount below.